You don't truly relax. Even when everything around you seems calm, your body stays alert. Your mind keeps scanning for what might go wrong. As a quiet child, safety was never something you could assume. You learned to read moods, notice tone shifts, and sense tension before anyone spoke. You became careful. You became observant. You became quiet. Being calm did not feel safe. Being aware did. So your nervous system adapted. It learned to stay ready, to prepare, to watch for danger even in ordinary moments. This is called hypervigilance. It is not anxiety. It is memory stored inside the body. Your body is still protecting the child you once were. Even now, it stays alert, even when life feels peaceful. That is why stillness feels uncomfortable. That is why rest feels unfamiliar. Your system was trained to survive, not to relax. It learned that safety meant staying aware. Healing does not mean forcing yourself to calm down. It means teaching your body that the danger is past. Safety is something you build slowly, through quiet moments, through gentle breathing, through soft presence. Your nervous system can learn a new rhythm, one where calm no longer feels dangerous.